Hi everyone, welcome to Maya's channel. Today I am going to show you sabji or curry or sauce. So today it's Palak Paneer, spinach and cheese. So the ingredients I have taken 300 grams spinach. I have washed it and I have chopped it to small pieces, and I have taken 400 grams paneer and quarter chopped red or any onion and 2 green chillies, spices, 1 spoon red chilli powder, 1 spoon dhania powder, 1/2 spoon salt because the green leaves already has salt, so I have taken very less salt, and pinch turmeric and 1 spoon ginger garlic. So now let's start the recipe. I'm going to heat the pan. I need some hot water. I'm going to heat the water too. I'm going to drop some oil, 2 to 3 spoons, measuring with eyeball, and little bit cumin seeds to split. Oil is heated. I'm going to drop onion, add a little bit water, let it come to boil. Add paneer pieces or cheese pieces, cottage cheese, mix them well. I'm adding first cheese because so that the spices get absorbed. I'm going to add chopped spinach. It goes inside. Little bit oil, hot water, and wait until it boils. It has come to boil. I'm not going to boil this for longer time because again it changes its vitamin and nutritious content. I'm going to add green chillies. As per your taste, you can add. Create a little bit spicy. It's done. I've added pinch of jaggery to this so that the taste neutralizes. I'm done. I'm going to turn off and see you in the next video.